Hello YouTube and what's up friends? Welcome to my channel. This is Dexter John Sipin. It's been a while that I haven't posted a vlog, especially an e-skate ride, because I've been busy with my work and I don't have time to edit some stuff. So I hope everyone's doing okay, especially to all e-skaters around the world, and of course to all my fellow e-boarders in Dubai e-boarding collective. Always stay safe and of course wear your protective gears, especially your helmet when going out for a ride. Today I'm not showing you an e-skate ride, but instead I'm going to show you how I clean my electric skateboard or my e-board. And I know most e-boarders out there wants to take good care of their boards, especially keeping it clean after a fun and enjoy ride with friends or going out solo, and making sure their board is in good condition before the next ride. But before I walk you through to the step-by-step on how I clean my electric skateboard, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button below the screen so you will be also updated to my upcoming videos. Thank you so much to all those who support my channel. So without further ado, let's go and clean the electric skateboard. What I have here is an EXWAY X1 Pro Riot. As you can see, most common area where it gets nasty is the part of the wheels, motor area, and the deck. That's where dirt and smudges stuck up, so it is advisable to clean the board every after ride. To clean the board, here are some things that we need. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how I remove every parts of the board. First is the wheels, wheel pulleys, motor covers, and the belts. Take note, make sure to put every parts in one place together to avoid losing it. To remove the wheel pulleys, just rotate either which way while gently pulling it out, but if your belts are a little bit loose, you can just easily pull out the pulleys from the axle. Don't also forget to remove your mounted lights for easy access when cleaning the board. Now that I removed the wheels and pulleys, next is the motor covers and belts. What we need is a hex key to remove the bolts of the cover. EXWAY motor cover has 5 bolts on each cover, 3 small and 2 larger bolts. Now that some parts have been removed, we are going to start cleaning the tracks and motor using a damp cloth. Next is we are going to remove the bushings from the tracks and separate the axle from the base plate. So we are going to need a T-tool to remove the kingpin nut. We are going again to wipe and clean the other areas using damp cloth, or you can also wrap the brush while cleaning the parts. We are also going to clean the bushings to remove any dirt or residue. For squeaky bushings and pivot cups, here are some remedies that I can share. Soap or candle wax. This helps remove any annoying sounds when you're stepping and turning your board. What we're gonna do is apply any of the two by rubbing or getting a small piece, then apply on both sides of the bushing. For the pivot bushing, just get a small piece of the candle wax or soap, then spread it inside. After applying, we are going to put back the bushing and connect the hanger in the base plate, then tighten the kingpin nut on your own preference. Either you ride in loose or tight trucks. Do the same procedure on the other side of the trucks. Once we are done cleaning the trucks and motors, we are now going to remove all the bearings from the wheels and pulleys. To remove the bearing, just insert the wheels at least halfway from the tip of the axle track, then gently twist and pop the wheels to loosen out the bearings. Now do this same procedure to the other wheels. Next is I'm going to show how to remove the bearings of the wheel pulleys. All you need to do is use the tip of the axle track or any tools to lay the inner side of the bearing, then smack the pulley to pop out the bearing. After we remove all the bearings, we are now going to wipe and remove the dirt using a damp cloth. If you want to see how to clean the inside of the bearings, just leave a comment below so I can make a different video on that. Now we're done with the bearings. We are now going to wash the pulleys, belt, motor cover, and wheels using a brush and detergent to easily remove the dust and smudges. Take note, make sure to check in between of the belts and pulleys teeth. Remove any hidden dirt or small rocks to avoid damaging the pulleys and belts. Next, we are going to clean the wheels. Make sure also to check the inner core if there are any cracks and chips from the PUs. After washing some of the parts, We are now going to put all back the parts together. But before we go there, let me share you what I use to keep my belt motor and other parts of the board in good condition. I use a silicone spray to my belts and any other parts of the board. Just simply spray the silicone spray into the belt, then spread the lube with your finger. This helps your belt not to get dry and prolong the lifespan of it. You can also use the silicone spray to other parts of the board. This serves as a coated protection from rust and dirt to your board. I've tried many lubes for my board, but this is more effective than the others. To put back the motor cover and belt, just simply follow the shown video. Then let's put back all the bolts of the motor cover. Just make sure not to do it tight, because we don't want to damage the thread or worse, lose the head of the bolt. I don't usually use Loctite to my bolts because I always used to removing them, especially when cleaning, so I always make sure and check the tightness of the bolts before riding. Next is the wheel pulleys. Put the bearings in the pulley, then insert it in the axle tracks and gently rotate the pulley until it goes through with the belt. After we assemble the back tracks with the motor, we are now going to put back the bearings in the wheels. As you can see in the video, I am using two different types of bearing. Bearings with built-in spacers and bearings with separate spacers. If you want to know more about bearings, just leave a comment below so I could make a different video about bearings. Now that we're done in the bearings, we are now going to put the wheels in the trucks. Make sure to put a washer before and after inserting the wheels. Washers help to avoid contact with other parts and help your wheels to run freely. After putting back all the parts, finally inspect the board, especially belt tension and rotation of the wheels. For the final touch, we are going to clean the grip tape with a grip tape gum, brush, and a damp cloth. There you have it. Board is clean and ready for the next ride. By the way, if you're interested on buying a EXWAYBOARD and accessories, I will leave my discount code in the description and hope to see you again on my next vlog.